Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to download Instagram on Mac. So one of the ways is you can go ahead to your App Store, Google Play, and search for Instagram, right? And download it from there, okay? If you don't find it, what you're going to do, you can just go ahead online, right? Head over to an online website, like the Instagram website. And then what you're going to do, just hit the three bars at the top, right? And you're gonna find save and share. It's gonna open up a new options where you can install Instagram. Just hit install Instagram and double click here to confirm. All right, and as you can see, we already downloaded Instagram on Mac. And this page only will show Instagram like posts, stories, etc., like a normal app. Okay, now if you want to keep it in the dock here, what you gotta do, just drag Instagram here. All right, and now you added Instagram in the dock. Okay, so consider liking this video, subscribing. Until next time, see you. Hi, welcome.